Hey everyone, welcome back! If your TCL TV screen is flickering, flashing, or blinking, I know how annoying that can be. It can make even a short movie night super frustrating. Don't worry, today I'll walk you through some easy troubleshooting steps you can try at home. We'll start with quick fixes and move to more detailed ones. First up, try power cycling your TCL TV. This might sound simple, but it actually fixes a lot of common issues. Turn off your TV using the remote. Unplug it from the wall completely. On the TV itself, find the power button and hold it for about 15 seconds. Wait at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Loose or damaged cables can cause screen flickering. Unplug all HDMI cables and connected devices. Inspect the cables for bends, cracks, or damage, then plug them back in securely. Sometimes flicker is caused by the picture mode or brightness. First, press the home button. Go to Settings, then Display and Sound, and then Picture Settings. Try different picture modes like normal, movie, or vivid, or lower brightness and backlight. Too much brightness can make flicker worse. Next, in advanced settings, turn off motion clarity or LED motion. Clear. Sometimes software bugs can cause display issues. First, then System. Software update. Check now. If you're on a TCL Android TV, then go to Settings, Device Preferences, About, System Update. Install any updates available. They often fix glitches. Factory reset is last resort for TCL Roku TV. First, go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory reset everything. For TCL Android TV, go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Next, test with different inputs and devices if the issue is still there. Switch HDMI ports, try built-in apps, connect different devices to isolate the issue. For gamers, if you notice flicker only when gaming, check your console settings for VRR, variable refresh rate. Try turning it off or matching the refresh rate to the game. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps helped fix the flickering. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.